March 26th. So we are going to continue with our unit on geometry. So working in topic 15. And on Monday, we are going to learn how to use a protractor to measure angles. There are actually two parts that you need to follow along and complete. The first is watching this teacher video where I go through and talk about like what a protractor is and how we use it. The second one is down here. You can see this link, Measuring Angles Study Jam. So when you open this study jam, you're going to need to make sure that you complete all parts. So you're going to walk through that, and you have to click up at the top where it says home, and then you have to go through all of those steps with Mia measuring her angle, and then you're going to click watch it, then you're going to click try it and try 2 examples on your own. After that, you do have some independent practice. It's this worksheet. There are a few problems just to practice reading a protractor. You do not have an exit ticket today. If you are unable to print this page, if you can, please just grab a sheet of paper so that you can record your answers. The angles are highlighted in blue, so it'll be a little bit easier to read on your screen. And then we will meet at 2 o'clock to go over each of those problems. On Tuesday, we are going to have like just a day where we can review using a protractor, and also a second day of finding the unknown measure of an angle. So in this video, I go through and I model using the protractor again, and also finding the measure of an unknown angle. I'm not sure why it's all like over here to the side. That's kind of weird. After that, you do have some independent practice. There's not a worksheet. I just turned the worksheet into an online practice right here. It's not a quiz. This isn't being graded. There's just not additional problems in your textbook. So I've gone ahead and taken like pictures and screenshots of sample problems and just included them here. There is no exit ticket today, but we will meet at 2 o'clock to go over those problems. On Wednesday, you're going to complete the topic 15 review. That's on pages 577 and 578. We will meet at 2 o'clock to review each of those problems. And then on Thursday, you will complete the topic 15 test on Savas. Please make sure that you have a separate sheet of notebook paper and you're solving each problem first before entering your answer on the computer screen. I will say on my test that I took, it was question number 1, but there is a figure and they relate it to like a roof and trusses. Please just take your time. If you need to take your finger and actually like trace along your screen, looking at the angles that they are like describing, then I would recommend doing that. But please take your time on that question. I believe there are 3 parts to that question. And finally, on Friday, now that we've wrapped up topic 15, we are going to have another FSA review day. This is a graded classwork assignment. There's obviously no exit ticket, but we will meet at 2 o'clock to go over these problems, as well as any questions you may have had on the topic 15 test. Again, just as a reminder, I sent out a notice to parents and students, but this work will be due by Sunday. If you have any work that is not completed by Sunday, it will be entered into the grade book as missing, and that populates in your grade as a 0. Let me know if you guys have any questions about math this week.